want y'all running around here talking about, let me see what your chakra looking like. Hey squad, what's going on, y'all? If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I am so glad to have you. Either way, before I go any further, I need y'all to do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell so you won't ever miss a new video when it drops. As always, I'm here to inspire and help you be your greatest self. So today, y'all, I am kicking off my 7-part series breaking down each of the 7 main chakras. Yes! And I'm going to start today with the root chakra. If you guys recall, on Monday, I did a video called Chakras 101, and it was like a brief introduction to chakras, like what they are and why they're important. What I'm going to do is link in the cards above, or you can slide on over to my playlist in order to check that video out if for some reason you missed it. Now, when you think of root chakra, I want y'all to think of grounding. Grounding, y'all. That's a memory device. Root chakra, grounding, okay? First, I'll break down the identifying information and characteristics, okay? Let's get into it. The root chakra is the very first chakra, and it's symbolized by a 4-petal lotus flower that's really rich and vibrant and red in color, kind of like what I'm wearing now. And when you think about the root chakra, I want you to think about roots, the roots of a mature tree, for instance, firmly planted beneath the surface of the earth. Well, the root chakra's role is to connect your energy with the energy of the earth, of the universe. Many refer to this as grounding. This energy center houses our will to live, y'all, our drive to survive. And when this chakra is balanced, we feel safe, we feel secure, knowing that our basic human needs are met. I'm talking about food, sleep, and shelter. We feel like we belong and like we're accepted. Again, like we're grounded. Other signs of a balanced root chakra are good physical energy, strength, and feeling connected to nature. Basically, feeling satisfied with your home life, with your work life, being passionate and trusting, and feeling like you have enough and you're not lacking. So the root chakra is associated with our legs, feet, bones, hips, colon, rectum, immune system, large intestine, adrenal glands, and even our blood. The root chakra actually controls your fight or flight response. Basically, it's just a physiological reaction that occurs when something is frightening, either mentally or physically. Our hormones are released, right? And they basically are preparing our bodies to either stay and deal with whatever that threat is, which is to fight it, or to run to safety, which is the flight part. Now, let's deal with what happens when the root chakra is imbalanced. Your root chakra may be imbalanced if you feel extremely negative about things, distrustful, greedy, insecure, anxious, and really not able to make good decisions. If you're always in this survival mode, this is like a blockage, y'all, and it can make you feel restless. Kind of like you're looking for something, but you can't quite figure out what it is that you're looking for. You ever felt that way before? You may find it difficult to settle down and be in a stable living or stable work environment. You might also find it hard to focus. You may have feelings of abandonment or even being codependent. So what happens when our root chakra is blocked? Now, When your root chakra is blocked, that's when doubt and fear might creep in. And your emotional and physical well-being take a huge hit. So, what does this mean? What exactly happens? I feel y'all asking me these questions. Well, emotional signs of blockage just might include things like depression, anxiety, fearfulness, guilt, resentment. So, since the root chakra primarily controls the lower parts of our body and includes our reproductive organs, physical signs of blockage, they just might manifest like so: constipation, kidney stones, circulatory issues, leg weakness, lower back pain, high blood pressure, impotence, and other prostate issues in men. They may also manifest as eating disorders or inflammatory disorders. So how do we balance? How do we unblock? How do we heal the chakra? Good question. Stand. I know it sounds simple. You want to stand and plant your feet on the ground, preferably barefoot. I personally like standing in the grass or standing outside on the concrete or even digging my feet into sand. So you will want to stand with your feet shoulder width apart. You want to relax your upper body. You want to let your arms rest comfortably at your sides and allow your hips to slightly lean forward. And then simply just take deep breaths, deep cleansing breaths, in through your nose and then out through your mouth. And then you want to repeat that process probably about 3 or 4 times. And as you do so, you're going to feel your body's connection with the earth deepen. Physical movement, such as walking, running, and other types of exercise. You can even do gardening or chores. All of those things can help you balance your root chakra. The key is to practice being mindfully aware of your body while doing so. So what does that mean? That means you need to be aware of your body and the sensation of the movements. So for example, become aware of your breathing, how your chest rises and expands when you inhale, and how it falls when you exhale. And take a mental note of the sensations and how you feel every single time your foot touches the ground. Another way to heal your chakra is to dance, 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 honey. Yes, dance it out. Let the rhythm of the music lead you and just do freestyle movements. Y'all know how we do. Get out there and freestyle. And you don't have to be at a club. You don't have to be at some party. You can dance in your living room. I mean, unless you want to be at the club, you know, I'm not saying don't go to the club. If that's what you want to do it. But you can dance in your shower. You can dance in your yard. You can dance in your living room, wherever. Dance wherever. Just dance. Anyway, this is going to help you get rid of the negativity and balance that root chakra. Also, wearing the color red or decorating your home space with red or red accents. Kind of like me, I decided to put on a little red lipstick and I'm wearing my red t-shirt here. This is just a gentle reminder to be aware of the core energy of your root chakra. You can even step this up a bit by visualizing or meditating on the color red. For example, y'all know I gotta give good examples. Take a few seconds or even a few minutes to visualize a bright red ball of energy right at the base of your spine. Watch it brighten your whole lower half of your body and begin to radiate around you and begin to ground you. And remember that memory device I told y'all earlier? Root chakra equals grounding. So pay attention and watch that light begin to ground you. Lastly, doing yoga can help you balance your root chakra. And it doesn't have to be a bunch of super duper complicated moves. It can seriously be as simple as forward bends or standing positions in order to help you stretch your legs and your back and your spine to give you that firm foundation. Here's a few moves to help you get started. These particular moves were specifically designed to help heal and balance your root chakra, and they're really beneficial for your entire body, truth be told. First is the standing forward bend. By stretching the legs and hips, standing forward bend strengthens the knees and thighs, which allows for stable grounding and opening of the root chakra. Now, this is the garland pose. It's frequently used to lead into the standing forward bend. The garland pose strengthens the ankles and lower back to help activate the first chakra, the root chakra. Head to knee forward bend. This is benefiting the spine, hamstrings, and groin muscles, and this pose actually stimulates the kidney, liver functions, and increases energy flow through the first chakra. Reclining bound angle. As you stretch your inner thighs, knees, and groin muscles, reclining bound angle pose also stimulates organ function in the bladder, kidneys, and reproductive organs, which helps balance the chakra energy. Now, the wide-legged and forward bend is kind of similar to the forward standing bend, but this position helps and strengthens the legs and spine, which helps opens and activates the root chakra. And then there's the warrior two pose. This pose, it helps you to strengthen and stretch the legs and ankles while nurturing a strong core. It stretches your hips, your groins, your shoulders. It opens your chest and your lungs. It builds stamina and concentration, and it energizes tired limbs, stimulates your abdominal organs, and helps relieve backache, especially for my pregnant mommies out there who may be in their second trimester. It also develops balance and stability, improves circulation and respiration, and it's therapeutic for people with flat feet, lower back pain, carpal tunnel, osteoporosis, and infertility. Whew, okay. I know that was a lot, you guys, but before I get ready to go, before I get ready to sign off, let me be clear about something. Chakras are aligned with our physical bodies, right? But they can't be physically seen or touched, y'all. I don't want y'all running around here talking about, let me see what your chakra looking like. No. It's not like that. Remember, it's an energy. It can be felt through subtle vibrations during meditation or even yoga. Some people even said that they don't feel anything at all. It takes practice. Remember, chakras are simply energy centers that transport energy throughout our bodies, and they connect our mind, our body, and our spirit. That's a wrap for today, y'all. I truly hope y'all found this video helpful and you learned something new about the root chakra. Do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that button. You know, that like button. Please leave me some comments or questions below. Subscribe and share. Share this video with everyone you know, like, and love. Until I see you on the screen in my next video, y'all know what the deal is. Peace, love, and blessings.